In this video, we will be covering establishing your company's working hours in UNIVERGE Blue Engage. There are two options for working hours available in the contact center, a basic version and an advanced version which allows you to create multiple schedules with intervals. Let's first look at the advanced version. After logging into the admin portal, navigate to Configure, General, Working Hours. As seen here, there are already some schedules configured for working hours. You can see that you can add a new schedule, edit an existing schedule, assign the schedule to any IVRs or queues that may currently exist in your contact center, and even delete a schedule. Note, any schedule that is currently in use, assigned to an IVR or queue, cannot be deleted. At the bottom of the list of schedules, there is the ability to set up holidays, but this will be covered in another video lesson. Choosing to add a new schedule will prompt you to give the new schedule a name and a description. Once this information is provided, choose OK. Now that you have a new schedule to work with, you will need to select Edit to the right of the schedule to begin creating the hours that will apply to the schedule. Here you will see General, the information about the schedule, all days of the week, and exception dates. Selecting the first open day of the week would be the best way to start, as hours can be applied to other days, saving you time. For this example, we will say that our company is open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and on Saturday from 8. Clicking on Monday, we see a chart of open time slots or intervals. Choose Add Interval at the top and you are presented with this screen. Give it a description. Choose the hours, 24-hour clock, and then apply to other days of the week. Click OK to continue. You can now see that the schedule has been applied to all the chosen days, but not Sunday or Saturday. To schedule the Saturday hours, repeat the process, but for Saturday only. Let's say, however, that you need to be closed for lunch from noon to 1 every day. What you will do in this instance is create two separate intervals. For example, click on Monday. Double-click the earlier created interval. In the description, enter morning. Add the time 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Select all days except Sunday, and click OK. Repeat this process, only entering afternoon in the description and selecting times from 1 p.m. to 5:30. Exception dates are specific days that your schedule will differ. These may differ from holidays, as when adding dates to the holiday schedule, your business will simply be closed. Using exception dates instead, you can be closed or open partial days. For this example, we will say that on October 25th, we are having a company party. Everyone will start work at 8 a.m., but we will be closing at 11 a.m. for the remainder of the day to celebrate. Choose exception dates. Click Add Date, give it a name and a date, and click OK. Once the exception is created, click on Edit and Intervals. By selecting Add Intervals here, we can give a description. Set the time from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. and select OK. We now see our interval for this date. It is possible that your account only has the basic working hours scheduler. If you would like to be switched from basic to the more advanced scheduler, please reach out to support. Be aware that switching from basic to advanced will cause a slight interruption in your service, as you will need to create a new schedule and apply it to the proper IVR and/or queues. The basic scheduler is as seen here. Upon opening, you are presented with the days of the week, operation status either closed or open, opening time, and closing times, 24-hour clock, and a comment section. There is no ability here to have intervals of time on any single day like the advanced scheduler provided. So, to be open from 8 to 5:30 Monday through Friday, you would simply select Open for all 5 days, type 8 a.m. for opening time, and type 17:30 for closing time. Anything that you choose could be entered in comments. Click Update. You should now have a clear understanding of how to update and/or add a schedule in the Engage admin portal. Always remember that times are based on a 24-hour clock, and you will need the Advanced Working Hours version if you would like to add intervals and exception dates. Thank you for watching.
Orchestrating a Brighter World, NEC.